Hello guys, uh, I'm working in the downstairs bathroom toilet tank. You can see here, this is called flapper here. It has become pretty bad. You can see the color and all the deposits here, and over a period of time it becomes very sticky and it doesn't work that well. It is working fine, but it's just that I don't want to leave it like the way it is. It's about, I don't know, 5-6 years old. So I got the replacement. It's a Kohler product. So it's very easy to change it, and I think anybody can change it. It's a good idea to change this just to make sure your the toilet tank works fine. So the way it is, just turn off you don't need to turn off the water supply, but if you want, you can turn it off so that water doesn't be flowing inside the tank. So you can see right here, it just slide it outward and it just comes off pretty easily, and take it out, and that's all you have to do. And it's got all this deposit, so basically just take it off, and then same thing here on this side, just pull it out and it just comes out pretty easily. And sometimes it is sticky, but that's okay. It's just okay. So you can see the old one which came off, and you can just remove the cotter pin here, which is attached to this bar. It's pretty easy to remove again. I gotta just press it down and take it out. So this one is removed. Now it's very easy to put the new one. This big bowl right here goes into the hole, and then you just slide it in. It just goes in. So you just put that bowl, and then you go ahead and insert it over there, and insert it on one side, and it's on the other side. You do the same thing, and it's done. It's all done. So only thing is, you need to put this cotter pin onto this bar here, and it's done. So basically, I'm gonna put this cotter pin. Okay, let's just put it in that. That's it, done. Now you can see there should be a little bit of slack. You can see the slack right here. And then see now how it works. It works fine. So I'm going to turn the water on and see whether it works. So I'm turning the water on. So you can see the water getting filled. And I'm going to throw this away. And it's getting filled. So we're going to test it out, how it works. I mean, it's pretty easy job. It didn't take that long. It's important to do this just to make sure the flapper works fine. So now the water is going to stop when it reaches that level. And then I'm going to flush the toilet and see whether it works. So the water stopped, and I'm going to... So if you want the complete thing, you just have to hold it a little bit, and that's it. Okay, it's very easy. Anybody can do it. And thanks for watching. See you next time.